Wagwan my people, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I have a quick product review for you guys today, all about Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Guys, I've been searching for another option, combination to clean both wheels and tires at the same time. Shout out to my homie, Steve_R_. He hit me up in the comments on one of my last videos and said, bro, try this product out. It's awesome. You'll love it, right? It's an all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner. That combination is great. I've heard good things about it. I've heard it's highly concentrated though, so super strong. So I have this Tesla Model S. Check out these wheels, guys. Pretty dirty. You can see the brown on the face of the wheel. It's probably from some old tire dressing there or dirt. You know, see the barrels are pretty dirty. The face, the calipers. So I figured, why not give it a test and see if I like it and see if I want to keep it in my arsenal, right guys? So without further ado guys, let's rinse off this wheel and test it out. So like I said, straight out the bottle, it's super concentrated. I've heard that if there's any protection on the wheel already, it may strip it off, so it doesn't seem like there's much protection on this wheel, to be honest. Let's give it another test. Yeah, this wheel is pretty flat. Doesn't seem like anything's on there. But anyhow, already I'm impressed of how it foams up straight out the sprayer. Wow, and look already, you can see the brown immediately. I hope the camera can pick that up. Wow, that's super impressive there. I'm gonna hit the calipers. Let's hit the barrels. Let's brake a little bit more. Again, guys, you know, you want to use this product out of direct sunlight and in the shade on a cool wheel. All right, check that out, guys. Brush here. Let's give this a scrub. Wow, check out that brown, man. Let's give the face a quick scrub. Super foamy, straight out the spray canister too, which is pretty dope. All right, you just want to agitate the entire area, right, guys? And then hit those barrels real quick. I would say that the working time is pretty cool too, pretty decent working time, because it doesn't seem to be drying up, and it's still, the more you agitate, the more foamy it gets. Like I said, this is a quick thing, guys, quick demo for you guys. It's my first time actually trying out this product, and I would say right now I'm enjoying using it, especially because of the foaming and the work time. All right, let's give it a quick rinse and see what we got going on here. Nice. Looking good. Well, let's go a little test now. Let's spray the tire wall again and see if it's going to be white or brown still. A little bit of very slight brown, I would say, not much. Looking pretty white for the most part. So that first pass pretty much took off everything, which is great. Wow. Just like that. It's pretty much reset, right? It's pretty straightforward instructions, guys. You know what I mean? But I would say when you're using it, make sure you apply some protection again after, because it seems like it's so concentrated, it will take anything that might be on there off. So, yo, detailers out there, hit me up. Let me know if you use this product. Using it as a maintenance product, I would like to know the dilution you guys use this product with to do maintenance details. I'd have to play around with the dilution myself. I don't know, maybe 5 to 1, maybe 10 to 1. Who knows? But it's definitely a product I like to keep in the arsenal. First time using it, I'm a happy customer. Adams. Big up Adams, you don't know. So I already know. 4 p.m. every Wednesday. Check me out. Something brand new. So you don't know. Like, share, subscribe. If you guys are looking for awesome wheel and tire cleaner, definitely check out the Adams. You don't know. So it's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again with some hot content. We're keeping it going, guys. Keep it locked. Bless.